Okay. I'm in a lamb truck, who's stopping me? Hey man, you already know, it is Friday. We going to Dallas, Fort Worth, meet up with my cousin, some of his friends down there. We got some crazy content. I think they got the hella 5.0s, some Corvettes. We're going some crazy ass meets. Oh shit, let me turn that down. We're going to some crazy ass meets. It's gonna be live. Stay tuned, we're gonna do some races. Ooh, I got a race on Saturday with the 370Z. So be prepared to see that. Supposedly he only has exhaust and a cold air intake, but I said fuck it, let's run it for 100. So we might do that. We're probably gonna do that, so you might see that Saturday, but stay tuned. Not to mention on all races, all is gonna be recorded, wins, losses. I'm not doing none of that pump faking. Like I said before I even got the car, I said I'm running it whoever, I don't care. Line it up.
Stop it. Get some help.
Obviously, if it's reasonable, not like no Hellcat or no goddamn Lambo, there's obviously gonna be a gap. Like, no. But like, if it's reasonable, it's in my horsepower, like we can run it. I don't care. And I'm stuck. I'm gonna be same way when I'm modded, all that. I'm running it with whoever. Simple. But I just wanna really put that out there. No fake. I completely forgot to update, but we are at Bucky's. Say hello. We got hella shit. Got a new cup. Yeah. $40. And we really only got like 7 items and I got most of it. But yes, I will update when we're in Dallas. We are 9 hours. Update. Look, we are here. She's KO'd. But we are here. I'll update early in the morning tomorrow when we go to Cars and Coffee. We are here, guys, babe. This is absolutely crazy. Look. Holy fuck. Cars and Coffee of Texas. Look. Insane. My cousin's car. Yee! Holy fuck. Double GTR. I'm gapping that easily.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap. How do you feel about that? I'm gapping that.
I know he's fast.
Holy.
I'm low-key trying to go over to the little tents and stuff, see if we can buy something.
Yeah.
What's all the wraps over there?
Wraps?
What do they do, wraps?
The Audi, the Corvettes. Look at the seats. Told y'all, man. Stupid content coming. Oh my god, man.
Saw the article, I didn't read it.
Super, oh my god.
The wide body Supra.
Oh my god. Wide body Supra? Wide body Supra is kind of crazy. I think I have this. Oh my god. How you feel about that, man? gas has been wasted this weekend. Yeah. Ooh. Perfect for babe. Bro, this Aston Martin's so sick. Oh my god. Jeez. V12? That's sick. Oh my. That's definitely personal rap. They brought everything.
They have a 720S.
Oh, they're pulling the Lambo out there. They got the Urus. Bro, in my opinion, Urus is a trap.
This guy in the Chevy flew back.
Form of performance pulled up. Oh my god. The Lambos are out like crazy. Look at the line of Lambos.
Got the Lambo on E-Blocks.
Straight Lambos. 1, 2, 3 Uruses. Wait, did you park over there?
No, that is just like your car. Yeah, I'm over there right by you.
Oh my god.
That's a...
Yeah, the Porsche, that's fire. These bikes are gapping anything out here. Any and everything. It ain't gonna be nice. All 1000cc.
This is the one I'm getting. R6. It's like this.
This is the dream car, yo. Oh.
I'm gonna come check it out.
Absolutely. That GT500, CTSV, LG. Look at that Audi. Oh my god. Drop. Side by side is great. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's a D. I don't know what that is. That's the Hemi.
lifted that Lamborghini off a truck.
Look at the bed. Oh my god.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
We're in Dallas, y'all. He's driving. How do you feel with all these people looking at your car, babe? It makes you feel accomplished?
Yeah. Even though I'm not the slowest out here.
Hopefully
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
we go and grab some boots.
Yes. No, I'm on that story.
Okay.
Oh.
Catch y'all later, guys.
Hey y'all, we are back from Cars and Coffee. I forgot to show y'all Mac's car, but La RC. All he has done so far. What all do you have done? Huh? What all do you have done?
Muffler delete, exhaust tune, intake.
Oh yeah, muffler delete, exhaust tune, intake. Got baby over there. We are about to just wash, get ready for tonight's meet up with everybody. So I'll probably catch y'all when we get back. Almost done with the car number 1. Gonna pull baby in, wash her up, and we should be heading out. Probably about to go see if they got this cold air intake, and if they do, we're gonna go pick that up, do a quick install, then we're gonna hit the meet tonight at 7. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, just got done editing the video from Dallas. Unfortunately, the camera did die when we were at the night car meet. Yeah, I was unprepared, didn't bring an extra battery. But that's okay, I got one now, that won't happen again. I've been bull bull crapping on the upload for this Dallas trip. It took me about 2 weeks, but I'm gonna get better. Low key, I'm gonna try to upload at least one video a week, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you didn't watch it all the way through, cool. If you skipped to the end, cool. I am going to be doing probably about $50 or $100 giveaway. It's gonna be just a code in one of my next videos, so I'll just post it, let y'all know beforehand, like yo, video's up, first person to send me the code wins, or like something like that. I don't know. But thank you for watching. I apologize for the video not being longer or finishing with seeing all the roll races and all that, but it won't happen again. I love y'all, appreciate the support.